hail damage can significantly impact a vehicle's appearance and value. Traditional repair methods involve sanding, filling, and repainting, which are time-consuming and expensive. Paintless Dent Repair offers a faster, cost-effective, and eco-friendly alternative. PDR is a specialized technique that removes dents while maintaining the car's original paint. It works best for small to medium dents, particularly from hail damage, as long as the paint remains intact. The process involves massaging the metal back into place from behind the dent. Key benefits of PDR include preserving the original finish. No repainting is required, preventing color mismatches. Cost savings eliminates the need for paint, primer, and fillers, reducing repair costs. Faster turnaround. Repairs can often be completed within a day. Eco-friendly approach avoids harmful chemicals used in traditional repairs. Resale value retention. Keeping the original paint ensures the car maintains its market value. Durability. The dent is fully removed rather than just covered, ensuring long-lasting results. Insurance compatibility. Many insurers prefer PDR due to its affordability. PDR is most effective when dents are minor, the paint is undamaged, and the metal is not excessively deformed. Choosing a skilled PDR technician is crucial. Experience, reputation, and advanced tools determine repair quality. Overall, PDR is the preferred solution for hail damage repair, offering efficiency, affordability, and high-quality results while maintaining a vehicle's original condition. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.